Minisita muhoizo by'emirumo Musa Echweru obwabire narambuza bw'orutindo rwa Karuma agizire nka gavumenti nibenda kombeka orutindo rusyo mu 2029. Echweru nagira ngo bakahereze empatane company ya Japan International Cooperation Agency okutandika kureta ebikwato.
We are planning to do a totally new bridge. A totally new bridge that will handle the present day challenges. This is a 1964 bridge. It's as old as myself. So I am not terribly young. So it should have been worked on some years back. But it has reached where it has reached now.
Echweru nagira ngo nibija no kukora urutindo rwa Masindi Park nguko nkabatongera kuteganisubwa aho urutindo rwa Karuma rubarabarukire.
I also want to know, let the country know government is doing whatever it takes to quickly start working on Masindi Park bridge. We're also going to put another bridge there. So that's what's going to happen. But this one is urgent and the country should just understand us.
Minister nashobora ngwentebe kansingiza ko zurwe okureba ngwentindo ezakorwaho.
Everything is being done. We shall inform the country accordingly. There are just a few things. A lot of work has been done so far by the technical team, but I think it is now just a question of us realigning the resource mobilization so that work starts. But there are already indications which are very positive in that direction. But we will be informing the country soon.
Honda Minister yagaruka yashobora umugasho mukuru ogurutindo rwa Karuma.
This is one of the busiest roads. You should know that it serves South Sudan, it serves DR Congo, and then it serves the northern part of the country, the entire northern part of the country. So it's one of the we are standing in a very critical artery of the country. So even blocking it, we are at pains. We are at pains to block it, but just for the safety of our citizens, we have no choice.
Orutindo rwa Karuma rukomeko mu mwaka wa 2024 ahiguriye umugera gwa Victoria Nile okubasa kugiti cyanga cya Bunyoro hamwe na Western Nile otiro no kugiti hangari ya Uganda n'amahanga gana nka South Sudan hamwe n'ihangari ya Democratic Republic of Congo. Gasha kwa Mbrozo no Gabakatoto.